Go for
What's
it.
it look like?
It looks alright. Almost there. Yep.
Oh.
Great. Can I do a pan of your two wall
You can do the pan of the board.
like this with,
Yeah.
with the balls hanging out? Okay.
Okay.
Preferably we'll do it on a flat surface as well.
Yeah.
The flatter the
It has
better.
to be on a flat surface. My table is just warped to shit right now. Oh, come on!
Yeah, you go all the way in.
So hard to see.
There we feel it.
Tighten them.
There we go.
Then take a torque wrench and set it to 16 Newton meters, or I think that's about 12 foot-pounds or something for you freedom folks.
I'll hold it.
There we go.
Got it? Alright.
The bottom one, I'll use this.
Yeah. Nope, that's...
Ah! So weird, so counterintuitive from the bottom.
Everything's reversed. Yeah. No, you don't have to reverse it, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, this is the opposite side.
Not flip it back.
Just the flip, just the flip.
Is there a specific angle of this herringbone?
Angle of the herringbone?
Yeah, as in like the angle of the V.
Oh yeah, of course. The higher the angle, the softer it is, but the less strong it becomes.
Ah, okay, makes sense.
Now I have a Mark 1 to sell, I guess.
Yeah, true.
Herringbone Mark 1. That's literally has like 100 km in it only.
Okay, if you guys are interested, message Jeff. Look at the ground clearance on that, man. It's like
Yeah. A lot more.
big. You can probably go over a big pebble with this, and it may or may not hit.
Possibly, yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Wanna go get dinner after this?
Sure. What do you want?
See, there's a Domino's, right?
Oh yeah, you want to go
Yeah.
instead?
I haven't had pizza in very long.
Okay, sure.
Yes. You know, I was gonna pull like a mayonnaise joke, but
I see.
please don't use mayo as grease.
It does look a little like thick mayo, right?
Yeah, I mean mayo is technically egg and oil.
Yeah, it's actually,
so
it's actually fat.
it can lubricate, but not that you should.
You're gonna get cooked egg when it gets hot.
Yeah. Shit, man, this is so nice.
So you say about the Mark 1, it only gets better, right?
Please don't make a Mark 3. I don't have any more money. I think that's what everyone will say. Damn it, my camera. Look at that.
Oh, so much nicer now actually.
Yeah. Don't mind if I grab a front shot. Damn it, Jeff, your feet is in the way. Check out that ground clearance. Yeah, it can go under my hand and my hand will still be fine. Not that you should. You can't see the motor at all.
No, you cannot.
Yeah, I just wanna like show that. That's how small it is. Where is it? Where is it? Nope, that's the rear drive. Look at that. Pretty fat
This
motors
is
as well.
angled so high up as well, though, then it's enough space.
I don't think your motors will ever get scratched.
Yeah.
Famous last words.
Look at that. You can take a picture of this. If only the motors were new, right? This motor has seen 3 different drives already.
This motor has seen a lot of stones. The off-terrain. Nice. Okay.
Test the sound.
Yeah.
Hopefully there are no scratches when I go up and down once.
Nah, I mean the floor is.
No, I'm just gonna put a piece of tape at the bottom of both drives. It's gonna do the photo shoot thing, so.
Like such a premium gear drive, and then you. And then he
Hey,
used.
these are the best gear bash guards ever.
Okay, great.
Wait,
Let's go and give it a quick test. Oh, it does look really funny. Do you want to test it down the hallway or like outside? Outside. Oh, it's so dark. Damn it, Jeff is gone already. What the hell? I didn't realize how dark it is at this hour.
Yeah, it is.
Do you wanna do one more time while just
Sure.
carrying this? Okay. And let's go! Yeah. Oh my god, it's so dark.
I'm gonna hear the video so whether the sound is okay.
I think it's alright. I mean, I heard splatters more than the. Yeah,
With the helmet, I don't think you can get anything really.
yeah. Yeah, good boy. Merry Christmas, Eastgate News. Do you wanna?
Let's take the duct tape off.
Cause now your footprints on the grip tape.
Oh no, I won't be taking the board, right? It's more the drive.
I don't know. Oh, it's more below, so you're gonna flip it over. All right.
Can I make it a bit more wet?
No,
Can you dry it then?
a little bit.
The wheels can be made wet.
Yeah. Why you crazy? Okay, let's make it more wet.
I mean, it has the effect, you know, the raindrop.
Yeah, I know. Like the.
Oh, too bad I didn't use new motors.
Yeah. Clean it up. Make it look good.
This looks like.
Out. Jeff just got a package. We'll find out what it is. What is
This
it?
is my stuff.
Ah. What is it?
Resin thing.
Oh.
And resin other forms too.
Oh, that's why it's so heavy.
Yeah.
Okay. Boo! I thought it was my wrench.
So we have 55 people.
Okay.
1 to 55. Generate.
43.
Come on. Seriously?
Count. Who's number 43?
5. There are 7 here. This has to be 48, 24 per row, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44.
43.
Big SWAT. There we go.
Zach,
One.
congrats!
I'm so glad the entire thing works. It's all good.
Yeah. Alright. Celebratory pizzas, yeah. Everything worked! Alright.